Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Tutorial Pathshala. Myself Hitesh Pathak, and moving to our next question in the series of chemical reaction and equation. The question is, based on the given reaction below, what is the correct decreasing order of reactivity series of metal? In this question we have to describe the reactivity series in decreasing order from these equations. Now let us see what are the equations. The equation is zinc plus copper sulfate produce zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper plus silver nitrate produce copper nitrate silver. Zinc plus ferrous sulfate produce zinc sulfate and iron. Iron plus copper sulfate produce iron sulfate plus copper. So these are the four reactions, and if I ask you, as we earlier studied, which type of reactions are they? Either they are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction or displacement reaction. They all are displacing one metal from the solution of other to form another solution, another salt. So these all are displacement reaction. And displacement reaction is governed by the reactivity series of elements, basically metals. When we are talking about reactivity series, what displacement says that more reactive metal displace less reactive metal from its salt solution, salt or solution. Here we can say, firstly, if we judge the four equations, we can understand that zinc is more reactive than copper. From the first one, zinc is more reactive than copper. That's why zinc is replacing copper, not copper is replacing zinc. Okay. From second, copper is more reactive than silver. From third, zinc is more reactive than iron. And fourth, iron is more reactive than copper. Okay, this is what we observed from all the equations. Now if we find from any one of them, firstly we will take zinc is more reactive than copper. Those positions where zinc is more reactive than copper is our what we call is our option. Otherwise it's not an option. Here copper is more reactive than zinc, so option A is wrong. Now second, here zinc is more reactive than copper, okay, and in third zinc is more reactive than copper, and in fourth copper is more reactive than zinc. So A and D is not the correct option. Okay, we'll discuss about B and C. Second, we will take copper is more reactive than silver. If in any case, in both the cases, the copper is more reactive than silver, so it's not to be bifurcated. Third is zinc is more reactive than iron, and we can see B is showing iron is more reactive than zinc, so B is wrong, and the correct answer is C, where zinc having highest reaction, then iron, then copper, then silver. From increasing order or from the more reactive to least reactive, the series is zinc, iron, copper, Ag. This is what we got from all the four equations, and the correct decreasing order for this is C. Thank you for watching this video. In the same way, you can select so many questions in your book and find it the correct series, so that you can know how you will predict that whether this metal is able to displace another or not. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share and subscribe.